7 quarts of sludge about to get annihilated. Today we're taking this 2022 Jeep Wagoneer through an insane oil change. Flush, filter, fill, reset, and we're using AMSOIL Signature Series 0W20 for protection up to 25,000 miles. First we warm it up because warm oil flows better and this Wagoneer deserves royal treatment. Here's the arsenal: AMSOIL Engine and Transmission Flush, Signature Series 0W20 synthetic, and an EA15K50 filter, 99% efficient at 20 microns. This isn't an oil change, it's prime rib day at the buffet. Stop the engine, add the flush, restart and idle 15 minutes. Think of it like soap in the shower, or better yet, a colonic for your car. Do you flush before every oil change, or let it ride dirty? Let me know in the comments. P.S. I don't want to hear about your spa day nightmares. Jack stands are in because I want to live to do another video. Now to drain the sewer. My lawyer called. He said for me to tell you to turn off the engine before draining the oil. Apparently he doesn't have much confidence in you. Now the purge. Drain plug out, sludge pouring, torque spec back in, that's 25 foot-pounds. The oil filter is up under the steering box because Jeep hates easy oil changes. This is gonna be messy. The AMSOIL EA15K50 traps 99% of particles down to 20 microns. Skipping this would be like brushing your teeth but never flossing. Yeah, enjoy those cavities. Apply a thin layer of oil on the seal before installing, or you will find out the consequences later. Tighten it till it's snug and then turn 3/4. That's it. Would you actually run 15,000 miles on the same oil filter? Let me know in the comments. Now for the insane part. 7 quarts of AMSOIL Signature Series 0W20. This isn't bargain bin oil. It's engineered for 75% more wear protection, 100% LSPI defense, and pistons up to 90% cleaner. Like I said, steak dinner for your engine. Run the engine, turn it off, and give it a few. Then check the dipstick. The one under the hood, dummy, not your buddy next to you. Now top it off if needed. Then reset the oil monitor life. Ignition on, engine off. Scroll to vehicle info, oil life. Hold OK until 100%. And that's how you change a boring oil change into an insane one. Flush, drain, filter, fresh oil, ready to hit the road. Would you trust an oil change for up to 25,000 miles? Or is that insane? Let me know in the comments. This is Casey Jones, your oil twin. Please like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell. I'll put additional links so you can keep track of the action. Until then, God bless.